How to post video on Instagram not real. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Instagram but not real. To do so, do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. Tap plus button at bottom of the screen. And here you have to choose the video that is more than 15 minutes or more than that. Otherwise, your video will be posted or uploaded on Instagram as a reel, not a video. So you need to choose wisely, and after that, tap the next button whenever you select, and after that, you need to customize the video if you wish to and tap on the next button at bottom right corner of the screen and again customize the section and tap on the share button. After that, your video will be posted and uploaded on Instagram but not reel. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.